guys, this is Shubhajit Ghosh and we have with us a very special guest, Mr. Parag Murudkar, and he's here for a live session and he's going to be entertaining us at this very wonderful occasion called the India Web Fest, which is the biggest, the biggest web entertainment conclave. Yeah, perfect. So, sir, a few questions regarding this biggest entertainment web conclave. That is, I don't know whether you've been here before or not, but have you been here before? So, what are you expecting?
Expecting a lot in terms of some great insights because I believe a lot of marketers, a lot of agencies, a lot of publishers attend this kind of sessions. So it's like a great insightful learning for all of them in terms of how the content is doing, how content will be there for the next generation, what are the dissemination platforms. So it's expecting a lot because I heard about it a lot. So it's my first time and I got an opportunity to speak as well. So yeah.
So, what are you looking forward to in your panel discussion?
Actually, it's not a panel discussion. We are presenting a case of Yes Bank, one of our campaigns that we did for Yes Bank Premier League. So I'm presenting that case there, and the topic is all about the art of storytelling on branded video content. So what was the whole how we approached that entire piece in terms of story building? How did we kind of render the whole creators, and how did we make best use of it? This is something that I'm going to talk about.
And any particular session that you're looking forward to?
In fact, lots, because the one which is happening in some time, which is about decoding content for the next generation, is something which is going to be interesting for future marketers and future planners, for sure. Apart from that, there are a bunch of other sessions as well, which definitely like to see.
Yeah, so the web space has actually grown tremendously in the last 2 years.
Absolutely.
So, do you think that ये चीज जो web space जो है will actually overpower the movies, or do you think they'll coordinate and coexist?
Oh, it's actually one of the answers that even I am seeking from this one of the sessions, because right now, if you look at what we used to call as a second screen, which is the mobile, for a lot of people it has become a first screen. So, and it's a dilemma for a lot of content curators, because what happens is when they are making content, right, they make for like a bigger screen, and that ultimately gets consumed on a smaller screen. So what are the challenges they face, and whether we have reached a stage where second screen has become a first screen, and whether after 2 years, for all you know, a house may not have a TV, a house may have individual tablets and phones, and people are consuming content there. So you never know. That's the future we're looking for.
So, what are the web series that you have been watching recently?
I just finished Sacred Games yesterday, the second one.
So, you like the second one more or the first one?
The first one, because I think the second one was a little dragged, especially the Guruji part.
And what do you have to say about Radhika Apte's absence in the second part?
Oh yeah,
that's a big. Fans are very disappointed. They always tell, "Yaar, kahan hai Radhika Apte?"
I'm sure she'll do a big bang comeback.
Yeah, absolutely.
On Netflix, she's been missed for a very long time. And apart from that, yeah, we've been catching a lot on some international content like Suits.
Thank you so much for talking to us, and we're looking forward to your session. All the best.
Sure, thanks.
Pleasure, sir. Thank you.